Prime Minister Narendra Modi will meet NCC cadets, NSS volunteers, Youth Exchange Program cadets, W artists and tribal guests of Republic Day celebrations 2025 in New Delhi today. The Supreme Court today dismissed a public interest litigation that called for the abolition of the tax deducted at source system under the Income Tax Act. National Girl Child Day is being celebrated across the nation today with a focus on raising awareness about the rights, education, health and safety of girls in society. India is gearing up to deploy its first human-operated underwater submersible as part of the Deep Ocean mission. Indian short film Anuja has achieved a significant milestone by securing a nomination in the Best Short Film Live Action category for the Oscars 2025.